Hello, Chevis viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko ba Sandy Home Recipe. Sinde di kan a wo hwe me video a, memma room subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. Na wa notification bell no. Tell me the video bia beto a won sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Anyways, we have a red velvet cake. I'll bet him I am our love one for this Christmas. All ingredients are written in the description box below. We call the description box now. Ingredients in now. Yes, start it. We are 1 cup milk, 1.5 tablespoon vinegar. Now the gum. We are no a buttermilk by who be the unye uni be the obesta me no. We are now the SC in chain. Buy a dry ingredient. Use 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1.5 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt. One mixing it together. Me say no ehwegu ade foforo mu. With the 2 eggs aka ho. 100-gram oil. Now the buttermilk now yesin chen we hwe de egu mu. 1 teaspoon vanilla. With the food color red aka ho. Now one mix we are not beating it together. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are not going to prepare cake pie mu. We're baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, no way. One manajo. We a cream cheese frosting and the be decorate a cake no. We be cut cake no into 3 sizes. What they are to enchen. What the cream kakra begu cake board ne so. Now we are not the cake back where the ato so. Now the cream ni be then. I spread it ever so. We are now the second cake is where the ato so. Send away first one. Sana be na kusita ma ebesa. What the cream ni na akata cake no ho. Aha no design a wopɛ no na ayɛ den wobɛyɛ. Wode cake ni bi yɛ den egu ɛsoro na wapete bi wɔ nkyɛnkyɛn. Epumacho so na di kan a wohwɛ me video a mema rem subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no sɛ me di video bia beto wa side den ebeka. Wode akɔhyɛ fridge mu for 2 hours. After 2 hours no na wayi na wa serve. Me yewie na me taste it. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. After sweet me, I am my loved one for this Valentine Day. Now this is our red velvet cake. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.